guys, I'm back again, and today we're gonna unbox the very first beauty box of 2018. A little disclaimer here, I'm sorry for the racket in the other room. My mom's over there watching her Serbian, Bosnian, I don't know, TV show, so you might hear a slight sound. Anyway, first box of the year. I'm so freaking excited. And by the way, guys, I now also have Twitter. Make sure to check the description bar thing, box, whatever you want to call it. If you want to, you can follow me on Twitter. I'd really appreciate it because I only have like 6 followers. So, yay. Anyway, let's open up the beauty box. So first things first, booklet, and then this is the inside. I think everything's gonna fall out, but this is the inside of this one's box. Okay, it seems very full, so let's just open it up. This is, are you freaking kidding me? Did I not unbox a box like yesterday with a certain face wipe, scrubber, towel, whatever you want to call it, and this is from After Spa. This is French Magic Makeup Remover. Are you kidding me? Okay, this is what that fella looks like, and it says over here, yeah, Magic Makeup, basically makeup remover wipe. It's €5.95, and I'm just gonna be honest, I'm not gonna use this little sucker because these things do not work. I actually have the real makeup eraser, and it doesn't work. I don't know why, but it doesn't work on my face, on my makeup. I don't use waterproof, so I'm not really sure why it's not taking off my makeup, but it's not, and I hate it. Moving on to, are these the same thing? Oh, no, they're not, but are you kidding me? We received these in a different box as well. Hold on. How many things are in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, they count these as separates. Okay, so let's just start with this one. This one we didn't receive. This is the Orange Care Intensive Hand Treatment. Deep moisturizing for 20 minutes. And honestly, my mom is right over there, and I'm just gonna pass it along to her because she really needs some hand love. She always has really dry hands. I don't. This fella for the hands cost €8.90. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the foot one, which is the Orange Care Exfoliating Foot Treatment. Removes dead, rough skin and helps skin renewal for soft, fresh, and clean feet. This is a 90-minute treatment. So this is what this fella looks like. And honestly, we already received this kind of a treatment. I don't think it's the same treatment because this one's way thicker than last time. So I do think it's a different treatment, but I know we already received this fella. And I'm not really sure if it was in the beauty box though, or in a different box, but I already received such a similar thing. And this fella is €10.50. You gotta be freaking kidding me. Hold on, let me just get these products out of here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, box is empty. Okay. Okay, the reason why I'm laughing is I want to cry. You know why? These 3 items, this is everything that we already received once. Again, probably not in the beauty box, but are you freaking kidding me? I'm so annoyed right now. Okay, this is the Trifle Cosmetics Liquid Glow. We literally received this a couple of months ago I think that was the StyleTone box. I'm not really sure, but I think it was the StyleTone box. So it's definitely not the beauty box, but I mean, I have this. Are you freaking kidding me? And I don't use it. I'm not going to use this one either. This is €23.95, 24 euro. You're right. I kind of find that hard to believe. I don't even know who would splurge on that. Moving on to Figs and Rouge Hydra Active HA Plus Day Cream, 20 milliliters. Again, something I do not use. The last one I didn't use either. So this is what that fella looks like. Not a fan. Did I mention the price? It's €12.50. Not going to use. And then we're going to move on to Pony Cosmetics, the Shadow Trio, which we also received, and that I believe was in the StyleTone box. But we already received it, and it was, I remember back then, a pain to get out. I do want to show you guys what it looks like, but I know for a fact that I'm not, you know what, I can't get this out, and I don't want to ruin it because I can give this away in a giveaway. This is what it looks like from the outside, and you know what? I got a little thing to show you guys over here. This is what that fella looks like right over here. If you can remember, a couple of videos ago, I did a total, what do you call it, unboxing, and I actually unboxed it, and I do like it, I do use it, but I don't need to. So this fella costs 18 euros. There we go, and that's a really fast, how do you say it? I am literally filming for about 6 minutes now. I'm already done. And honestly, wow, this is gonna be the worst box since a really, really long time. I'm just gonna be honest. Again, let me explain something. In the box that I unboxed yesterday, which was literally my last video, we received a liquid highlighter, did we not? Yes, we did. We received a wipe, did we not? We did. These boxes are so ridiculously similar that it just sucks. And honestly, this we already received. This we already received. This. You know what I mean? The only thing I haven't received so far is the hand treatment, which I'm not going to use because I'm going to pass it along to my mom. Okay, I would use it on myself had I known that my mom obviously did not have any problems with her hands and you name it, then I would have used it on myself. Which means out of 6 items, I would have used 1. Like, I don't know, I cannot, I know I'm being really, really harsh on these boxes. I know it's probably annoying everybody out there, but here's the thing. I have a subscription, like I mentioned many times ago, with 4 boxes. So you will get repeats, but this is just ridiculous. I feel like one company sends out the same damn product over and over and over. We received it already. I will say though, all of these items, this will be a great box if you're not subscribed to any other boxes and you only have the Beautybox. If that is the case, I will be honest, this is an amazing box. But for me, personally, this just sucks. I just paid 15 bucks for all items that I already had. I could almost had a MAC lipstick for that same price. All of this, I'd rather just trade in for 1 MAC lipstick. You know what? Lipstick, you know what I mean? And again, if you're not subscribed to all of these boxes, I'm gonna say it again before I get so much hate on this. This is a wonderful box. For me, it's one of the worst boxes out there because every single item I already had. I have such high hopes for the Blux box. We still need to get the Look Fantastic box, which I'm hoping there's something better in there. But I don't know, my hopes are on my new favorite box ever, which is the Belux box. We still need to get it, but it will be here like somewhere around my birthday, I think. So yeah, I'm sorry. I cannot vouch for this. Again, if you only have this box, then it's a wonderful box. But for me, this is just a letdown. This just sucks. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. And once again, I'm sorry if I'm being harsh or whatever, but try and see my point of view. I'm very unfiltered and I just kind of say what I want to say, I guess. And that is what happens. So yeah, I'm just being honest, like y'all know, always have been honest on my channel, always will be, and that's just what I think about this. So thank you so much for watching once again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!